Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I'm still expecting this to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is going to be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, either an expanding flat or possibly a running flat. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm very interested to see how this weekly time frame candle closes because right now it looks like the end of a correction. It looks like impulsive up wave 1, looks like an expanding flat wave 2, looks like a 1 of 3, ABC 2 of 3. Definitely close enough for me to call a hit at the 78%. And if that's true, that could be a 2 of 3 and that we are preparing to go up for the 3, the 4, and the wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still looking at this uptrend right here, most likely as a 1. I think this is a downtrend wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. This is definitely a little odd because it really looks like 3 waves down. It doesn't really have that 3, 4, 5 shape, so maybe this is setting itself up for a short. But, I mean, at this point, it really looks too big to be a wave 4. I think at this point, the next move down is going to have to be a correction, and this is either an A or 1, B or 2, and then it should go up for either a 3 or a C. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it looked like we had an ABC correction yesterday, but what happened is it went down and made a higher low, it just kept on going up. I would say that this right here is supposed to be the bottom, and this is actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, especially when you look at correlated pairs. Most likely this is either an A or 1, like I was saying on the daily. I do think that at some point, maybe today, it will start to make a move down, which should be either wave B or wave 2, and then I would expect to see either a wave 3, which would just keep on going, or possibly a wave C, which a wave C would just go up to a fib level, bounce from the fib level, and continue the downtrend. So either way, I will definitely be looking to go long at the wave B or 2, and then I will learn and earn whether it's a wave C or whether it's really a wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by the looks of it. I don't think I would really try to go short right now. I would have to see a pretty good impulsive engulfing move to the downside, and then I would have to see a pretty good little pullback before I'd be willing to go short. I do think at some point it probably is going to make a pretty good sized correction, which may actually take us all the way into next week. We have to remember that a week from yesterday, we do have interest rate for the US dollar coming out. That's going to be a big event. Maybe this will make a wave B or a wave 2 prior to that, and then at the news event, it will continue the uptrend for a big old wave 3 or a big wave C, just like what I was explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions, and it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.